If creating YouTube videos feels slow or stressful, this video will completely change how you create content. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Grok AI to go from zero idea to a full YouTube video faster than creator. At the end of this video, you have a simple workflow you can repeat anytime. Most creators don't struggle because they are not talented. They struggle because creating content takes too much time. Coming up with ideas, writing scripts, planning visuals, editing, and once can start energies. And once where AI comes in, and specifically Grok AI. Grok AI is not here to replace creators. It's here to help you think faster. It becomes a creative partner instead of just another tool. This is the exact workflow I'll show you in this video. 1. Generating strong video ideas. 2. Writing a full 15-minute script. 3. Writing a full 15-minute script. 4. Planning every four-pod. Once you learn this, you can repeat it for every video you make. Most people ask AI vague questions, and that's why they get weak results. From these ideas, choose one problem you can solve clearly. A video without a strong hook loses viewers immediately. Your hook must promise a clear outcome. Prompt: write 3 creative videos 5 times. Write 3 high attention hooks for a 15-minute YouTube video about creating YouTube videos faster with AI. Ask Grok to create a detailed structure with timestamps. AI should not replace your voice. It should support it. Use Grok to generate a draft, then adjust the words so it sounds like you. Even with talking head videos, visuals matter. Ask Grok for B-roll ideas, image prompts, and on-screen text. This keeps viewers engaged and improves watch time. Record your voice clearly. Add simple visuals. Keep editing clean. Speed is more important than perfection. If this video helped you, subscribe to the channel. This channel is all about using AI to create better content faster. Comment AI if you want the next video on creating thumbnails and images with AI.